Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. How many times has this happened to you? You're trying to reach up into your truck bed. You got a toolbox up there. You got to grab a wrench or a sponge or a Twinkie or a ho-ho. You know they brought the King Dong back. And all of a sudden you fall. Oh, man, it sucks. Well, not anymore with this. I'm talking about the AMP Research BedStep2. It's durable, it's heavy duty, and today we're going to be unboxing this SOB. Let's take a look at this box here for a second. Oh yeah, spinning it around, made in the USA, so you know it's high quality. Now let's open it up. Wha-cha! Boom! We're going to take a look inside of the box right now. This is heavy-duty, good old-fashioned American ingenuity. Now, you can't hold this. I'm holding this. So allow me to describe this for you. This is strong, man. This is good stuff. I'm talking this can support a man of not 100 pounds or 200 pounds like the other guys. I'm not talking about those little frou-frou fancy tea sipping guys. No, this supports 300 pounds of hungry man, frozen TV dinner eating American man, okay? Got some of this stuff right here, huh? Got some of these bad boys, the brace. It's going to support you. This is going to go on the side of your truck, right in front of your rear tire there, so you can step up. So if you have something in the bed that you got to get, if you have a toolbox with some ice cold brewskis chilling, you could step up on that, reach in, no fuss, no muss, and it can go on the passenger or the driver's side. Maybe halfway through the week you're feeling frisky, you want to switch it, you could probably do that. I don't know your life, okay? So we're talking about the AMP Research BedStep2, and again, this is going to mount on that truck, and if you'd like to pick one of these bad boys up, by the way, there's some other stuff in here. There's some screws and nails. Why would I have to show you that? You know what a screw looks like, huh? So pick one of these bad boys up. If you have any questions, it's MidwestAftermarket.com. You can pick up the phone, give us a call. My name is Kyle, and yeah, just for God's sake, I'm going to step on this right now. We'll see you next time. Look at this. Look at this. Oh.